Lesson 13. Will and shall. 1. Spontaneous decisions. Decide it now. We use I'll, I will when we have just decided to do something right at the moment of speaking, often announcing a sudden choice or reaction. Examples: "Oh, I left the door open, I'll go and shut it." Or, "What would you like to drink?" "I'll have orange juice, please." 2. Common situations for I'll: offering, agreeing, promising. We also use I'll to spontaneously offer help, agree to a request, make a promise, or express a refusal using the negative form won't. Offering and agreeing: "That bag looks heavy, I'll help you with it." Or, "Can you give Tom this book?" "Sure, I'll give it to him." Promising: "Thanks for lending me the money. I'll pay you back on Friday. I won't tell anyone what happened, I promise." Refusal and requests: "I've tried to give you advice, but she won't listen." Or, "Will you please turn the music down? It's too loud." 3. Comparison: I'm doing versus I'll do. While these two future forms might seem similar, they focus on two completely different moments of decisions. Present continuous: I'm doing, used for plans and arrangements that were already decided or fixed before the moment of speaking. "I'm meeting Kate tomorrow morning." This was planned in advance. Will, I'll do, used for decisions made right now, during the conversation. "I'll meet you at 10:30, okay?" "Fine, see you then." This was decided just now. Please take the quiz below the video to support your knowledge, and don't forget to write in the comments how many answers you got right. Bye.